Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn on data saver mode in Twitter on computer. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first. Okay guys. So first of all you have to open your web browser. I am opening my Google Chrome. You can open any web browser of your choice like Firefox, Microsoft's Edge, etc. So let me open my Google Chrome. Okay, you can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to go to this twitter.com and log into your Twitter account. You can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account, and after that guys you have to click on this three dots, this button over here. So let me click on that, and then you have to click on this settings and privacy, and after that guys you have to come to this general section, and then you have to click on this data usage. Okay, and here we have this data usage screen opened, and here we have this data saver option. If selected, Twitter will use less network data. So you can see guys, currently this option is unchecked. So what you need to do, you have to check this box next to this data saver. So let me click on that, and you can see this option is now checked, and we have this data saver mode enabled in Twitter on computer. After that you can go to your profile. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.